What's up, YouTube, and happy holidays. So I am doing my best this year to get into the holiday spirit. You know, as an adult, you have to make the Christmas magic yourself. So that's what I'm doing this year. And as some of you may know or may not know, my father did pass away last year, literally on Christmas Day of all days. So I was and I still am pretty nervous about the holiday season. Because I don't want to be a Scrooge, and I still want to be able to enjoy this season because I love not Halloween. I do love Halloween, but I love Christmas and the holiday time so much, and I don't want it to be spoiled for me. And one of my great friends, Mandy, the cruise planner from TikTok, she was speaking to me and one of our friends, Courtney, who's also from TikTok, about her own journey having to struggle with grief during the holidays with someone she lost in her life at one point in time, and how she had to learn to create new traditions. So that's what I'm going to do this year. I'm going to be baking. I want to cook for a Christmas dinner, and I started decorating my room, so it's going to be real cute. I'm going to show y'all everything, but I did go shopping. Nothing crazy. I just went to go get some, not groceries. I went to go get like cleaning supplies and just little things I needed. So I just want to show y'all what I got. So of course, some handy dandy fabuloso, because you can never go wrong with that. And I love this type because it's more concentrated, so like you don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a long way. I am going to be doing a lot of baking, like I said, so I got some confectioner's sugar that I will be using to make some icing. Then I found this awesome snickerdoodle mix at Dollar Tree, and I was like, this is perfect because I want to make cinnamon roll cookies, and this is like the perfect pre-mix for that. Then I saw these cute little Christmas like clip-on air fresheners for like your car, but I like to use these on like the little fans that I have around the house, so that way the house can smell nice and cheerful. Picked up some catnip because my cat needs to chill. I got him some new litter from Target, which is in my room. And then I found these Fresh Step litter box deodorizing crystals. Gonna try them out. Maybe they're good, maybe they're not. We'll see. Then I was really happy to see this, and I kind of think I should have gotten 2 bags because the other week I went and found these Elf on the Shelf hot cocoa cookies, y'all, and they are so good. And literally, I would show them to you, but I ate them all. Or maybe I recorded a video. We'll have to see. But I should have gotten 2 packs of this because I don't want them to sell out because I know it's only for like this time of the year. But I found these gingerbread cookie mix, and I am so excited to make this. Oh, because I love gingerbread. I think it's so good. I like it when it's a little spicy too. Then I just picked up some, what is this? Dishwasher detergent. And then I got this Jello cheesecake flavor and strawberry flavor that I'll be using for baking as well too. I think I'm going to use this when I make either my strawberry cookies or... because I don't know if I want to make strawberry cookies or strawberry brownies yet. We'll have to see. But I think I might use the cheesecake in that, or I might use the cheesecake also in the Cinnabon cookies. I might just pick up another one because someone told me that like the cheesecake Jello is like the major hack for at-home baking and making stuff taste really good. So we're going to try that out. Picked up some Sensodyne because my teeth, y'all. You know, y'all, you're going to know when I have money, or especially when it comes to content creation, right? When I'm doing well, when you see me fly to Mexico to go get my teeth done, because trust me, me and Sensodyne are very good friends. I needed some new razors because I don't really want to grow out my facial hair right now. So I picked these up. They're cute. It's from the Joy brand. Some simple razors. It was 4 for, what is it? 4 for $4. So you can't go wrong with that. Some Microban. I love Microban. I use this when I travel as well too. Then I picked up these cleaning erasers, which are pretty much the same as the Mr. Clean Magic erasers. And these were like 6 for $2.50. So that's not bad at all. Picked up some bleach and some vinegar because I gotta clean, y'all. And I'm trying to think, oh, can't forget this. My cat is very fussy sometimes when it comes to food. He's not like too picky when it comes to food, like, but there's only like a few things that I know he will not eat. Like he'll leave it there for days and not eat it. But some things, it won't be his favorite, but after a while he'll still eat it. Cause y'all know, listen, sometimes you get what you get and you don't get upset, especially right now. Prices are high. But I did find these amazing, carnivore cravings on sale. So I got 2 12 packs. And I got the tuna recipe and the chicken and tuna recipe. No, the chicken and tuna recipe because my cat loves seafood. And he'll eat chicken and like dry food and stuff like that, but it depends on the type of dry food. And I don't really give him Friskies like that unless I'm in a pinch. But he loves Friskies. But y'all know Friskies is like the fast food for cat food, right? And he loves Tiki Cat. That's pretty much what he eats all the time is Tiki Cat. I love them. I love their products. I think they make amazing cat food. And now apparently they make dog food too. But he still sometimes can get fussy, and you know, he likes different options and stuff, but he, you know, it's not always good for cats to eat too much seafood. So I'm trying to also incorporate, like, you know, different cat foods that have both seafood and chicken and stuff like that, or beef or other forms of protein. That way he's just not relying on the seafood for protein. But I did try out one of them, as you can see, with the chicken and tuna, and he liked it. So we have a win. I'm very happy about that. But y'all, I'm about to show y'all the rest of my Christmas decorations, and then I'm gonna cook a little dinner, and I'm gonna show y'all the cinnamon brownies that I have in the oven right now, and I hope they come. I hope they come. So for my holiday tea that I wanna make, I don't really have anything too holiday. So I have orange and spice. Then I have red raspberry, and then I have this lemon ginger tea, and I have 2 packs of each. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of some ground cinnamon and just a pinch of brown sugar. And I feel like that with a little bit of extra sugar be a nice little seasonal tea, something like that. YouTube. So this is what the batter is looking like so far. So we're trying to make like a cinnamon bun brownie slash cake, more so brownie, and then I have my excuse me, I have my cinnamon bun filling chilling in the freezer right now, and I'm gonna put that throughout the batter, and then I'm gonna make a separate frosting. I hope it's not too sweet. It shouldn't be too sweet because I didn't add any extra, like, no, I didn't add too much like brown sugar or anything like that. So it shouldn't be too sweet, but I'm just hoping it's nice and cinnamony. And I just feel like it's going to turn out really good, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm about to make dinner for the night. And technically, I already made dinner yesterday. But you see what happened was I made spaghetti. It was delicious. But last night when I was putting the food away in the refrigerator, of course, I dropped the entire pot of spaghetti. So I just got to remake the spaghetti noodles. Thank God I did not drop this pot, which is full of the meat and the sauce and stuff like that. But very basic dinner. And then I have some Trader Joe's focaccia on the side. It's the roasted tomato and Parmesan. It's delicious, y'all. You can dress it up, you know, with a little extra salt and pepper, but it really doesn't need anything else. It comes with a bunch of cheese on it and roasted tomatoes. It's really, really good. And then for my water, though, I'm just going to add the Trader Joe's garlic olive oil, which I'm obsessed with. And then just a little bit of salt and a little bit of garlic pepper. That's really, I mean, not garlic pepper, just a little bit of garlic powder. That's pretty much it. All right, y'all, sorry because the camera angle is a little awkward, but these are, or will be brownies. So this is an experiment I had. This is pretty much cinnamon bun brownies with a graham cracker crust. My water's starting to boil, sorry y'all. So I'm gonna make this quick, but it came out really well. I think it looks delicious. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good, y'all. But I'm gonna go and ice it with the icing that I made the other day. Let me show it to you real quick. This is the amazing icing that I made. So this is just confectioner's sugar, a little bit of brown sugar, cinnamon, and then some of Trader Joe's cinnamon bun spread, which is amazing. And it is the perfect frosting for these brownies. And I cannot wait to put them in the oven just to get them a little toasty, and then put this on top. It's gonna be perfect. Y'all, this spaghetti is perfect. Like, I mean, if you're black, if you're African American specifically, you already know we throw it down when it comes to spaghetti. Black people love making spaghetti, but I think I have cracked down on my personal spaghetti recipe. I love it so much, and I love not even just spaghetti, y'all. I've learned to love just like straight up butter noodles with like some garlic pepper, some salt, olive oil, pepper. It is just so good. I used to clown my roommate in college, Melissa, because she used to survive off of butter noodles, because I would be in the kitchen chefing it up and Melissa's over here making butter noodles, right? But I'll give it to her. Butter noodles are amazing and delicious. And I got my olive oil with my balsamic vinegar. my focaccia, and I'm about to have a good meal. And then we're gonna make a cocktail. I was gonna make some, well, not make some wine. I was gonna have a glass of wine, but when I went to the liquor store, y'all, I found this pre-made espresso martini that I'm gonna show you in just a bit. And I have the dessert in the oven right now, waiting and ready. Well, my room is nothing special, which is fine, because at least I have a place to stay. But I wanted to add just a few little Christmas decorations. So I added, hold on. Oh my gosh, the camera's not turning. I have it on the wrong setting, y'all. All right, so I added some little bows and my Christmas lights. And I got a little Christmas tree over there. And then I have my Christmas tree scented candle. But I'm really happy to be celebrating the holidays. I love this time of the year. And I want to watch a Christmas movie, but they did drop a new episode of Silo, and if y'all don't watch Silo, you gotta watch it. It's a slow burn. It's a slow burn, but it's one of those slow burns where it's not like, oh, you gotta watch like 4 episodes then it gets good. It's one of those shows where like it'll be like a lot of nothing, and then something major will happen in like the middle of the episode, or something will happen at the end, and then you gotta wait until the next episode. It's just really good, and it's good enough to where like I want to buy the books now. But I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna go make myself that espresso martini I was talking about earlier, and enjoy the rest of my night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays. That sounded kind of weird. Happy holidays. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Y'all, I made the espresso martini. Well, I poured it. This is dangerous. This is so delicious. I put a little bit of chocolate syrup. I coated it in hot chocolate. And I should have used a different type of chocolate because this one wasn't thick enough that, you know, it's melting. But it's still cute, very Christmassy. And y'all, it's delicious. And I think the brand is called Bowls. It's BOLS. Oh, I got sugar on my lip. Merry Christmas.